Hey, what's going on? Aaron Chen here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, then you might be checking out this company right here. It's called omegapro, all right? It's a cryptocurrency multi-level marketing company, and you're wondering, should you join this company, all right? This is an updated video. I did a video a couple of years back, and this is an update on omegapro, and let's talk all about this company to figure out whether you should be investing in omegapro. Should you join this crypto MLM company, or should you stay away from it like the plague, okay? So basically, omegapro is an MLM company that promises 200% ROI on the investments that you make after 16 months, okay? And that's pretty much it, okay? They say that they have some sort of proprietary investing AI bot technology that invests money for you, and then they guarantee you an ROI, right? And that's kind of it, okay? And you can join at different levels. You pay $29 to start, and then you can invest at different levels from $100 to $500 to $1,000, all the way up to $15,000. All right, and that's kind of how it works. Now, after 16 months, when you get your ROI back, you don't get it all back. You have to maintain a certain amount to reinvest into the program for another 12 months, and that's kind of how they roll their money, right? And that's kind of it, right? They don't sell any physical products. There's no real service. It's just the opportunity to make money, and that's kind of how omegapro has been built. Okay, now let me show you a couple of things that will make, there's just a lot of red flags with omegapro, right? Again, I am not saying that this is 100% a Ponzi scheme, but it sure looks like one, okay? So let me just show you a couple of things that will make you, it should raise your eyebrows before you invest your money, because look, this is your hard-earned money, and that's really, really important, okay? So I'm on the FTC, the Federal Trade Commission's website, right? And there is a big difference between a multi-level marketing company that's legit and an actual pyramid scheme, okay? Now, when it comes to pyramid schemes, here's the biggest thing, all right? Your income in a pyramid scheme is basically mainly based around how many people that you recruit and not how much of the product that you actually sell, right? Now, if the product is the opportunity to make money, that means there's no real product, right? And that's the thing about omegapro, is they don't reveal to you how they actually make their money. They're not transparent on how they're actually trading and all that stuff, right? And if they're not able to be transparent, and they're hiding all of this quote-unquote proprietary information, then you don't really know how their money is being created, okay? And that's generally the rule with a lot of Ponzi schemes that come out, right? Especially when it comes to MLM, okay? So what they do is they take money from people that join the company, and they kind of recycle that, and they give you the money that new recruits, when they join the money, come in, and that's how that's the money that you get to withdraw after 16 months, okay? Here's the thing. At the end of the day, there is no company that can guarantee ROI, return on investment, no matter how amazing the company is, right? Especially when it comes to cryptocurrency and investing, because it goes up and down. So there's absolutely no way that they can guarantee an income for you, and when they do that, that is a huge red flag, okay? And for every single cryptocurrency MLM company that I've reviewed over the years, that guarantees ROI, a lot of them have closed down. Okay, let me show you a couple of them that have actually closed down, right? So BitConnect was a very, very similar one. The owner was finally indicted this year. This is very recent. This is February 25th, 2022, okay? BitConnect founder was indicted for $2.4 billion cryptocurrency scheme. Very, very similar to the way that omegapro is set up. Another one that you guys may or may not have remembered was OneCoin. Okay, it was promoted as a cryptocurrency. They had a very similar thing where they were selling education. Okay, so they were selling educational material for trading, only specifically for people that joined the MLM company, right? So again, it was smoke and mirrors, right? So the whole thing was people were actually joining the business to make money. There was a guaranteed ROI, and OneCoin was one of the biggest cryptocurrency MLM Ponzi schemes in the world, and she ran off with $4 billion. They still haven't caught her, right? So the owner, I can't remember her name right here, Ruja Ignatova, she is still on the run, right? They can't find her. She's gone. She ran off with $4 billion, and it was set up very, very similarly to omegapro. Okay, so again, a lot of red flags here. Okay, a couple of things that I want to show you. Look at this, right? So Omega Pro group collapses. The CEO claims that he's a victim. Omega Pro is a fraudulent online trading platform. That's what they say in Belgium. And here, Omega Pro securities fraud warning issued in Spain. So again, look, there's a lot of red flags when it comes to Omega Pro. I mean, on the outset, it looks okay, right? It looks like an MLM company. They hold big events and stuff like that. But the thing is that anytime an MLM company marries their MLM compensation structure with a guaranteed income and cryptocurrency and promised ROI, that is a huge red flag, and most of the time they end up being Ponzi schemes. So here's the thing, just be careful. Look, I mean, this is your money, okay? I'm not saying that you can't get your money out. There are a lot of people that have, it depends on when you join the company, right? There are some people that have joined Omega Pro, right? And they were able to get their money back. Why? Because they joined at the beginning or at the middle of the pyramid scheme, of the Ponzi scheme, right? That's kind of how a pyramid scheme works. If you join at the beginning, or a quarter way through, or halfway through, or maybe even 3/4 way through, you may be able to get your money back. But that's kind of how Ponzi schemes work, right? You get some of your money back, it looks like it's legit, you reinvest your money again, and then at some point you're not able to get your money out because the whole thing crumbles because it's not real to begin with, right? Now here's the biggest thing about a Ponzi scheme, right? And the definition, okay? Now when it comes to making money, right? If the opportunity is the opportunity to make money, that means they're not retailing any real product. That by definition is a Ponzi scheme. See, a company has to sell real products and real services beyond the opportunity to make money to not be a Ponzi scheme, right? And unfortunately with Omega Pro, they don't have any real retailable products. The only product that they have is the opportunity to make money. They're guaranteeing you ROI, right? Return on investment. And all you do is you go out there and recruit more people to join the company, and you make money on their investments. So it's a binary compensation structure. And as a recruiter, right? A rep for the company, you make money on the investments that the people that you bring in are investing. Okay, so again, it's all about the opportunity to make money, and that's why there's just too many red flags around Omega Pro. So look, this is your life, this is your money, right? But I've been doing this for so long. I've been a part of 6 different MLM companies. I've done online marketing, affiliate marketing, drop shipping, business opportunities, cryptocurrency. I'm a huge cryptocurrency investor, right? And when something looks like a duck, and it swims like a duck and it quacks like a duck, it's probably a duck, right? And every single MLM cryptocurrency company that I've reviewed so far, right, that I've said looks like a Ponzi scheme has ended up being a Ponzi scheme and has been shut down. So again, look, this is completely up to you. This is your hard-earned money. I would just say that, look, if something looks like a Ponzi scheme and there's just too many red flags around it, I would just stay away, I mean, just go and invest in something that is completely legitimate. Look, if you want to get into cryptocurrency, learn about cryptocurrency and invest in real cryptocurrency. Don't join MLM cryptocurrency deals that are kind of like gray area, or they look like, there's just too many red flags and they might shut down. I mean, there's just too many things about them that shout that these guys aren't legit. I mean, look at this. I mean, just getting all sorts of warnings all over the world. Just make sure you don't end up doing a OneCoin or a BitConnect deal. And there's so many more Burex. I mean, there's so many companies that were shut down because they ended up being full out Ponzi schemes, right? So that's my review of Omega Pro. Take what you want from it. If again, lots of red flags, I would just stay away. Look, if you want to make some money, don't be lazy. Don't look for opportunities where they guarantee you income, because chances are is that if an opportunity guarantees you ROI, they're probably not a legit thing. Now, can you make money in the short term? Yes, it's possible if you join them at the right time. But if you're unlucky and you join them at the end of their time, when they're going to do an exit scam, then you might lose all your money. I mean, if you invested $10,000 or $15,000, that's a lot of money to lose, and it's your hard-earned money, right? What I would do is I would just either learn all about cryptocurrency, invest it properly, or build a business where you're really able to control everything, and it's not a Ponzi scheme, and you just make money and cash flow that way. Okay, so listen, I hope you enjoyed this review of Omega Pro. Listen, again, I keep repeating myself, but this is your hard-earned money. Do the research, make the right decisions, and please understand that when it comes to investing, there's always a risk, and there's no such thing as guaranteed returns. As an investor, whether you're buying stocks, mutual funds, real estate, cryptocurrency, there is no way that anyone can ever guarantee you returns. If they do, red flags should be going up for you, and you should do your research extensively instead of joining it and getting all your friends and family to join it and then end up, being involved in, unfortunately, a huge scam, which is not the greatest thing. Okay, but listen, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you're here right now and you're watching this and you're wondering, and well, if Omega Pro isn't what they seem to be, what should I be doing with my money, right? It really depends on what you want to do. If you want to make more money using the internet, if you just want to learn a way to generate more residual income, increase your portfolio size, right? Perhaps you would be interested in doing what I do. So what I do is I sell products online. I'm a professional affiliate marketer, right? So I find a group of people online that are looking for a problem that they're trying to solve. I find a product that helps them to solve that problem, and I just join them together. I marry them together, and when they make a purchase, I generate a commission. Now I teach thousands of people how to do this. This can become a residual income. This can replace your full-time income from home, but this is a real skill, and it's a real business that you would need to learn how to do. So if you'd be interested in learning how to do that, I've got a free 6-figure workshop that will show you exactly how to build out a real affiliate marketing business where you're selling real products to real people all over the world. And if you would like to learn how to do that, you can just click the link below, register for that free workshop, and I hope to see you on the workshop very, very soon. I hope you enjoyed this video. Take care. Be careful with your money, because it's important where you invest your money, what businesses you build, and who you give your money to. Do your research, people. All right. I hope you enjoyed this video, and hopefully I will see you in the workshop. Take care.